We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean and cook with me. I also added in some decluttering, a mini Hobby Lobby haul, and my meal is keto friendly. So today's video is a collaboration with 3 of my really good friends on YouTube. The first one is Tracy, and her channel name is The Comfort of My Home. The second lady is Leanne, and her channel name is Leanne's Life. And the third lady is Jennifer from the channel Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. So make sure you head over to their channel and give them some love. They will be doing some cooking and cleaning as well. And make sure in the comment section you let them know that I sent you.
To see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
So I just wanted to take this time to say, if you are part of Tracy, Leanne's, or Jennifer's channel, I just want to thank you for checking out my channel, and I hope you will consider being part of my little YouTube family by subscribing. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why.
So I really needed to do some decluttering in my desk, in my bedroom. So I figured today would be the perfect day to get that done. Let me know in the comments you have a place in your house that you really need to declutter.
I can't stop time for you. For you, I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right.
So this here is something that a student gave to me as an end of the year gift, and I thought it was so sweet because we ended our year in quarantine, and so we didn't actually get to see our students at the end of the school year. So I thought that was so cute what she did.
I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you on my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you.
I wanted to show you some things that I actually got from Hobby Lobby. They had a big old clearance going on, and of course, me being me, I always moving things around in the house, redecorating just about every other week. So yeah, that's just me. But the first thing I wanted to show you was this right here. I thought that was super cute, and obviously I'm going to take this part off, but it was only, if you can see it, $5.49. So I kind of want to just add this into my room just because I already have like the flower theme kind of going on, even though it's winter time. I feel like you can do it year round, and it's about to be spring, so yeah. And the next thing I wanted to show you was this picture frame, which I thought was super cute as well, because I have blue and pink going on in my bedroom after I did my bedroom makeover, and I thought this would be cute to kind of switch out during the Valentine's and springtime, like, you know, Easter time as well. So I thought this was cute, and it was $3.99. Ooh, let's see, there we go, $3.99, and it was originally $15.99. Here's the back to kind of see. So something you will learn about me is that I love to move things around. I love to redecorate, and so that is just what I'm doing right now, and you will see that throughout my videos. So if you like decorating or seeing change, definitely subscribe to my channel, because you will get lots of that here on my channel.
You had me at a la 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 finding ways inside my head. Lost and out of focus, I can hear a word you say. Cause I don't care about your game, I just wanted you to see.
So yes, you can see that I changed the picture around again, just because that's just me. I felt like it needed to be over on the dresser rather than on my nightstand.
La, 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 la. La 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 stop talking, I don't care. With you my mind is clear.
So we have finally moved on to the cooking portion of this video, and I've given you two things that are keto friendly. But the first one is the chicken nuggets. It's the Copycat from Chick-Fil-A, and I will make sure I leave that recipe in the description box for you guys so you can check that out.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that's safe.
So this recipe calls for the chicken to be soaked in pickle juice for 30 minutes up to overnight. And so I decided to let it just stay in there overnight, because it said the longer the better. So I figured longer would be better. But I just wanted to make sure I made that clear so you guys would know that's what I did before I started filming this video.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Without you, this is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
So the next recipe I want to share with you guys are the onion ring recipe, and these are also keto friendly, and I will make sure I leave it in the description box so you can check out that recipe. And I can say that both of these things turned out so good. Couldn't even tell that they were keto, so I would definitely give it a look if you're trying to do keto, or you know, trying to eat healthier. This is definitely something I would do again.
Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So I just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out this video. Especially if you're new, please make sure you push that subscribe button, and remember you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is Courtney19. I also have new videos out for Valentine's Day. I did some decorating in my bedroom, our living room, and I have another one coming out real soon, so make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of those videos. And let me just say, this meal turned out so good. We loved every bit of it, and you'll get to see it all right now. But thank you again for watching. So don't forget to go check out my friends' videos. I will leave their link down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
We'll find the remedy.